Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways how to recover your Google Chrome bookmarks. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Google Chrome, click on the three dots, then look for bookmarks and lists, and then we need to open up the bookmark manager. Now, to the left here, we've got bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. Go ahead and look for recently deleted folders if synced, other bookmarks as well. Then we can basically go ahead and restore these by right clicking on the three dots. We can go ahead and open a new window or a new tab and then save those bookmarks. Now, next fix is to go ahead and recover bookmarks using Google Account Sync. So come over to Chrome Settings, Sync Setup. Now we need to turn on bookmarks and sync everything. So you can see here my name, syncing for tutorials@gmail. We want to go ahead and turn that on. If it says turn off, that means it is enabled. Now we need to go ahead and manage what you sync. So we want to click on the little arrow here. Now make sure sync everything. But if you just want to customize sync, you can and choose bookmarks and history or apps. But yeah, what I recommend is sync everything, just make it easier. Now, next fix is to go ahead and enable the bookmarks bar again. So sometimes the bookmarks are still there, but hidden. So that sometimes happens. So to fix that, we want to go ahead and click on our keyboard, Control, Shift, and B. And then as you can see, my bookmarks is going to appear again. But to hide them, it's going to be Control, Shift, B.